What really makes a community is working together. Hi, I'm Miriam Welch. I'm with Love Lakewood and I love community service. Love is a group of different community entities, from the faith community to service organizations to those from the city, that all work together to help create a thriving Lakewood. So one of our big projects is Love Lakewood Day, which is a citywide volunteer day in Lakewood. At the last Love Lakewood Day in 2024, we had a project with Rose Stein Elementary. Part of the project was to label all of the books. So the picture books that are for kids who maybe can't read were color-coded by alphabet so that maybe kindergarten kids can put books back. And then the other books, like chapter books and others, were labeled with a label that said which genre they were.
I'm Sean.
And I'm Lily.
And we love community service. I loved it because if my little brother tried looking for a book and he couldn't find anything, he'd be pretty lost. And now it's color-coded, so now we can find books easier.
It means a lot to me because they took time out of their day to help us. And communities need to be there for each other. And it's a big role in the community if you want to help it.
I get a lot out of when I do community service. It just feels good to give back to your community.
It gave us like a really big movement for people to come here and help us organize stuff. So I think that if I did something like that, I could help a community, a school.
Thank you for helping this community. I appreciate this very much.